Okay, today I'm going to fix a favorite appetizer that we have on game day, and it's called Charleston Cheese Dip. And it's very simple. You know me, I like simple but good. And we're going to have 1 block, 8 ounce of cream cheese. And then we're going to add, just mix all this in a medium bowl, mix a half a cup of mayo. And 2 green onions chopped. 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And a half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, though this is a blend. I could not find Monterey Jack today. So, you know, blend's okay. It's got Monterey Jack in this. So, and what you do is just get all this mixed together really good. Incorporate that cheese all in the cream cheese and the onions. And we're going to do just a dash of cayenne pepper. There you go. And then you're going to spread this in a shallow baking dish. I'm using a quiche dish, but you can use a pie plate. And I would suggest too, if you have a crowd coming over, you probably want to double this recipe because it goes pretty fast. And just spread that evenly. Okay, now we're going to crumble about 10 Ritz crackers over this. All right. Then I'll pop it into a preheated 350 degree oven. And we're going to bake that for about 15 minutes. Let's cook through. And then when that comes out, we're going to top it with crumpled bacon. I've already prepared 6 slices already in the microwave and crumpled them up, and we'll just spread that on top. And then you serve it warm like that, and you can use Ritz crackers, bagel chips, or corn chips. It's great with anything like that. And like I said, you might want to double this recipe if you have a crowd coming over. So we'll see what we have. And just to get the cheese dip out. Nice and hot. And all we have to do now is just sprinkle the bacon bits over it. And there you have it. And just serve that up with some crackers or chips or bagel chips. It's great. Hope you try it. Hope you enjoy it.